Do you usually throw away sawdust and broken candles? Or have you tried giving them a second job? Hello everyone. Stay with me through this video and you will see what these simple items can really become. Break the candle into small pieces and place them into a pan. Set the pan on low heat and let the wax melt slowly. Do not rush this part. Let the wax turn clear and smooth. As the wax melts, you will see the wick floating inside. Tell me what part of the country you're watching from. I read every comment. Use a stick or spoon and lift the wick out gently. Set it aside on a clean surface. This wick will be used again in the next steps. Now, take a small handful of dry sawdust. Sprinkle it slowly into the melted wax. Do not dump it all at once. Use a spoon and stir gently as you add the sawdust. Keep mixing until the wax thickens and every piece of sawdust is coated. The mixture should look heavy and even, not runny and not dry. Once everything is well mixed, turn off the heat. This blend is now ready for shaping. Place an ice cube tray on a flat surface. Make sure it's clean and dry before you begin. Carefully spoon the hot mixture into each section of the tray. Fill only about halfway up. This leaves room for the wick and the top layer later. Tap the tray gently on the table so the mixture settles evenly. Check that each section has the same amount. Now the mixture is ready for the next step. Take the wick you saved earlier and place it upright in the center of each mold. Make sure it stands straight and reaches the bottom. Now add more of the mixture on top until each mold is full. Use a spoon and press it down gently. This helps remove air and makes each piece firm. Check again that the wick stays in the middle and does not lean. Set the tray aside and let it cool for about 2 hours. When it hardens, each piece will be solid and ready to use. After 2 hours, remove one piece from the tray. It should feel firm and dry on the outside. Place it on a safe surface, away from anything that can catch fire. Light the wick and step back slightly. The flame should rise slowly and stay steady. You will see it burn evenly without dripping wax everywhere. This tells you the mixture is balanced and packed well. Let it burn for a few minutes and watch closely. The fire should not flicker or go out quickly. It should hold a steady flame that is easy to control. This is exactly what you want from a simple fire starter made at home. Now it is time to put this fire starter to real use. Place one piece under a small pot with clean water. Light the wick and set the pot carefully on top. Watch how the flame stays steady and focused under the pot. After a short time, the water begins to warm and then comes to a boil. This shows the fire has enough heat for daily tasks. Use that hot water to make a cup of coffee. Pour it slowly and enjoy the smell rising from the cup. Now, place a small pot with eggs over the same fire. Let them cook without adding more fuel. In a few minutes, the eggs are done and ready to eat. This simple fire starter can handle real cooking jobs, not just quick flames. Now let's move to one more simple trick, using things you already have. Take a clear glass and pour sand into it until it reaches halfway up. Slowly add clean water on top of the sand. Then pour cooking oil until the glass is almost full. You will see the oil float above the water. This setup will become a simple candle in the next step, using only what is already in the kitchen. Take a cotton swab and place it upright into the sand. Make sure one end stays in the oil and the other stays above the surface. Light the top of the cotton swab and step back slightly. You will see a steady flame rise. This simple setup works like a small candle and is easy to make. Now, you have two simple fire solutions made from things already in your home. One works as a strong fire starter. The other works as a simple candle. Both are easy to make and useful in daily life, or when you need heat fast. If this helped you today, tap the like button. Subscribe for more practical DIY ideas you can use at home.